Hey everyone, Bill here from Holidays Lane. If you're looking for a fun activity to do with adults, kind of like a fun craft night, we have a great idea for you here in our DIY sequin ornament kits. Now, we've had DIY ornament kits on our Etsy shop and on our website for a while where you can do one kit. Now we have something a little bit new for you. We've taken our two most popular DIY ornament kits. We have Deck the Halls green and we have Deck the Halls red, and now we're bringing it to you into a fun party pack. Gives you a couple extra things that you don't get with our normal individual DIY kits, but you can certainly cherry pick and get a wide variety of different ones and still get a bunch of people together to have a fun craft night. So let's talk about these actual kits here. What you get, they come in a 4-pack and they come in a 6-pack. So for instance, if you pick the Deck the Halls red, everybody will receive their own individualized instructions, and these are real easy to follow, and they're also illustrated, so you know exactly what to do step by step through the process. You're going to get your particular colored sequins. In this case, we have metallic red or the metallic green. You have your little gold seed beads here. All of the little bits and baubles and sparkly things that make it special. What we've also done is we have pre-cut ribbons to make it easier, so everybody gets 2 ribbons there. You obviously get your foam balls, so you get 6 or 4 of them. And then a box of our sequin pins. These are gold, so they're brass plated steel. And then everybody also receives their own little ornament hanger. That way, when they're done at the party, you hang it up in the tree if it's a family activity, or everybody can take their own home. They can all have their own instructions to take home. There'll be a little baggie that each person can put it in so they could always remember the fun that they had with their DIY ornament kit party. Now, what's different about our party packs is you, as the party planner, the hostess, you're going to get a secret set of instructions to help organize the event. And you're also going to get a little 4-ounce bottle of Elmer's glue. Normally when we send out the kits, you're only using a couple drops per person. So by the time it gets out to you, it probably dried. That's why we don't have the glue included in our individual kits. We give you a little bottle there. And anyway, so they are available on holidayslane.com. You can also look for Holidays Lane in our Etsy shop. I will put a link at the bottom of this description so you could find us easily. And what we'd also love to see is please tag us in any of your whether it be Instagram posts or if you're on TikTok. We'd love to see you having fun, and we'd love to see your final products. So what we'd like to say at Holidays Lane is every day is a holiday. Thanks for watching.